We're the construction pack team. Yeah. We're the racing pack team. I'm Thomas. And I'm Charlie.
Hey guys, I'm Max here, and I'm here to do some gator hunting. Y'all see any gators around here? They're delicious. I'll show you how to catch one. Y'all see any gators around here? They come in the monster pack. Where's the gators at? Oh, there's one. He got me. Give me a hug.
Hi, I'm Byron. And I'm Percy. And we like to do construction. I'm a bulldozer backhoe. And I'm something with tracked wheels. Load her up, Byron. Okay.
Alright, you're loaded. Go take the load. Alright.
Okay, these are all the assembly packs. And these two are from the monster pack. Right here. Gator and Max. You can take these off, put them back on. And then we have, from the construction pack, we've got Percy and Byron. And from the racing pack we have Charlie and Thomas. Now, there's only one chassis for 2 trains. And I had extra chassis, so I was able to do all 5. But we're short 1 chassis, so instead I just use one of these wagons here to do a fake Thomas. Watch. We'll just do Thomas here, like this. So you can do a Thomas here, and then this one, we'll just pretend it's a chassis. It's here, and then time to haul you to the dump, because you ain't got all your parts. Here we go. They're gonna use them for spare parts. Here's a monster mashup. This is a monster. It's a monster construction. Not really a backhoe anymore. Wow. Monster battle time. Monster construction battle. And this is a racing monster gator. So, pretty weird. You can do lots of little cool things with these vehicles. We're the construction pack team. You go ahead. I guess I'm too heavy.